As you can see, it's a bit breezy today, and what I thought I'd do is I'll first put my back to the wind so you can hear me, hopefully, and I'll have to sort of like get that tree sort of like get further down. No, it's not going to work. I'll have to sort of maybe get close to it with a wide angle lens looking up. I'm going to try and see what the view is like from the opposite side looking back this way, but because you're looking downhill onto another hill, I don't think it'll come out how I think it's going to be. Right, I'm just going to jump this back, hope I don't fall in. Carefully over all this muddiness. And you can see the tree's nice, but the background's crap. It's not separated enough, so I'll have to get probably good in fog, but I'll probably have to get an low down with the wide angle lens on the other side to shoot it. Well, I'm shielding the camera with my body from the wind to take this picture, and I put it on 2-second timer and bracketing it. I'll also have upped the exposure by about 1 stop, so the brackets are slightly overexposed to give you more detail in the foreground, because you're shooting against the sky and the sun. And this is brutal. As you can see, the camera side of the road, and I've just put it low down to take a picture of this tree here, but it's not going well. I might come back to this when the light's right, or on another day when it's not so windy. Well, I was just running around different angles trying to make this this tree here into something, but in this wind everything's moving about. Camera's moving, the vlogging camera's moving, and so I'll just try and make something out of it. Sun briefly came out for a few moments there, but now it seems to have clouded in. It may brighten up later on, but I think it might be fading to grey this afternoon, so we'll see what happens. Well, I don't know why I bothered taking this picture. It's interesting to look at, but it's no photograph really. And I returned later at sunset to get this slightly different looking, moody, flat, warm looking version of the thing. Well, I think this tree has potential, but the lighting wasn't quite good. And at this point I was just trying to produce a bit of content to fill this video, and then I returned later on when the clouds and the sunset and the colours came out, and I got this amazing picture which I've pushed to the nth degree. Like and subscribe.